All right, what's going on, everybody? What's up? What's up? Just bringing you into the back end of the system that I'm going crazy about. It's just we got ridiculous leads coming in. As you can see, we got a dashboard with 23 leads up there, seller leads, buyer leads. I mean, this is what's come in from text messages and voicemails. Today, we sent out campaigns for tenant buyers, vacants, probate, fixer-uppers. Just they're coming in from all over the place, and you can see the dates. This is all from today. I haven't even had a chance to go through all the leads, and this is like a 2-day campaign right here. These are real cash buyers, not fake people on Facebook. If you notice, I never even pay attention to the stuff on Facebook because I know those aren't real buyers there, so you're wasting your time doing that. There may be one out there, but come on. So we're getting all of the real stuff in right here. Right. And then let me just show you this up here. The text messages come through from this part right there. So the text messages go out on auto, as well as I can just load up a whole bunch of those, and go inside of those and see what's up. But then I got these other leads right over here coming in through the dashboard. It's up to 350, of those right there. And you can see as I scroll down over here, a lot of those are coming in from Craigslist. I don't have to go to Craigslist anymore. They come in automatically on the message from over there. And I mean, this is just what we're doing. So if you want to put your business on steroids, you do this. As you go to www.10dayhouseflipperleads.xyz. If you come in up under me in the system, I'll show you some other tricks that I was actually showing some other people inside of the system, who are in different cities and states how to do what I'm doing, because there's obviously some little things that I add to the mix. All right. But I got 20 years in this game. So we got lead finders there. All right. Come on in here. Locate any properties. You could be selling leads to people all over the country. And what I love about this is, if you take a look at this here, let me just show you something. So for this lead finder thing, so let's just say, so right now I got a zip code that somebody, I'm not gonna, all right. So I'll just come in here and I can just show you I got vacants right here. I got tax delinquent properties, so I can do it by the tax sale. I can come and click on the ownership status, put individual, put corporate owned. I could exclude bank owns, exclude this over here. Property types, I can always do search for 1 to 4 units right there at a time. There's all types of property filters and stuff where you can do more segmented list building over here. I mean, it's just like I've had it for like maybe about a month now, but I'm just like a kid in a candy store with this, right? You want your real cash buyers? Well, here they go right here, right? You want your real private lenders? Well, here they go right here. You want to send your contract straight through here? Well, there it goes right there. You want to put your direct mail campaigns together? There it goes right there, right? You want to do email broadcast? There it goes right there. Haven't been doing those yet. You want to do SMM stuff? There it goes right there. You want to do follow-up? There you go right there. You want to do this lead swiper? There it goes right there. So just so many things that are going on up in here. And, is there for anybody who wants it. www.10dayhouseflipperleads. 10-day house flipper, the number 10-day houseflipperleads.xyz. All right. To your success. Take this thing and crush it. I'm telling you, it's taking my business to another level. That's my time. Peace.